I've played violin for over 7 years, and I earnestly believe that this is the best way to learn Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars as an adult beginner. Okay, so we'll be playing this in the A major scale using the strings A and E. The first 4 notes are A, and E, like this. Next, we're going to be playing a first finger on the E string, making an F sharp. And lastly, a down bow on the E. And now we're going to be descending down the A string. So what I want you to do is place 3 fingers on the A string, which is your 3rd finger, your high 2, and your 1st finger. And now we'll be playing D, D, C sharp, B, B, and lastly 1 A, which lasts for 2 beats. So we'll be starting on an up bow. And now we'll be playing E, which you can use the open string for, then D, D, then C sharp, then B. Also known as open, 3rd finger, high 2, and then just 1st finger. We'll start on a down bow. And now we're going to repeat that, except we're starting from an up bow. Now we'll repeat the first stanza, which is A, E, F sharp, E. And then D, D, C sharp, B, B, A. Let's do it together slowly. If you felt that the pacing was a little too fast for you, feel free to go back and rewatch this section. Okay, now let's play together using a metronome. I'm gonna set it at 70 beats per minute, which should be pretty slow and doable for you. And if you feel that the tempo needs to be even more slower, feel free to slow down the video itself. 1, 2, ready, go. Congratulations, you just passed level 1. Now, we're gonna increase the tempo to 90 beats per minute. This is the tempo, so make sure that you have a good foundation of the earlier tempo before you move on. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now let's talk about some common mistakes that beginners do while playing the song. One major mistake that beginners do is that they don't move their elbow while switching strings. For example, at the beginning, we play an A, and an E. Right there, you don't want to just move your wrist or your fingers, you want to move your whole arm like this, which is controlled by your shoulder. Notice that I moved my whole arm. It was very subtle, but I still moved it. Moving your arm while switching strings ensures that you don't hit the wrong string by accident. Like, it's very common for beginners when they're supposed to be playing the E string to accidentally hit the A string. To prevent this, move your whole arm while switching strings. Now, the second common mistake that beginners do while playing is that they squeeze their left hand. Honestly, I don't blame you because in a lot of day-to-day movements, we do a lot of clenching. This is what clenching looks like. People often squeeze their left thumb and don't have enough space in between the neck of the instrument and the arc in their hand. In order to counteract this, loosen out your left hand by shaking it before you start playing. I hope this video helped. And if you want personalized coaching as to how to play the violin, be sure to check the top link in the description so that we can book a call to talk about your goals and see how I can help you. Thanks for watching.